Slumlords, I tell you. That's why Isaiah's hurry up and fix that motherfucking fence, bitch. That's why Isaiah ain't said nothing about the motherfucking dogs. Cause this shit is a raggedy piece of shit I live in. At least the other house made it for 4 years before it fucking fell the fuck down. Time for this shit. Oh, fuck me. What is it? The number you gotta push through. So much shit to do. I don't even want to push that. What am I looking for? Oh, I know what I'm looking for. And that ain't it. Son of a bitch. How the fuck? The dumbest shit ever. I know it's a button on this bitch. I know it is. Right there. Where's the fucking button? Alright, forget that. I'm gonna go to the messages.